This is my 83 or 82 German-made amphibular kit, and nobody believe after nearly 40 years later, it still can work very well and waterproof. Now I'm changing the new radio control, not very new. This is 10 years ago radio control, and try does it still waterproof. Before I go to the seaside, let me test in the swimming pool. I don't know, does it still waterproof or not. I use my single hand to control it forward, left and right. And now I try to see, does it still working or not. I don't know. Hope it's working. Okay. I use water control. Yes, it's still working, but I don't know leaking or not, because the car is 40 years ago. At that time, this kit is rough, but quite fun. I remember it got two bodies. One body is a Enfield car, and this is a army landing truck. And I like this body a lot. It is not fast, but very fun. Looks like it is still working very well. If you use wheel to drive, very slow. So you need to use propeller. And the steering use like a boat. Front wheel is not useful in the water. Very nice. I put the modern winch inside in front. This is a 83 German-made amphibious model kit, and now we try to see that it is still working. Hong Kong is the sea, so after playing we need a wash. This vehicle radio control system is very complicated. The rear axle drive by motor with a extra gearbox and no differential, because the car need off-road, only rear-wheel drive. And on the water, it is another motor to drive the propeller. Something you cannot believe is the steering. The steering needs waterproof, so it is a tube from here because the water level is just here, not higher than the middle hole. And the winch is a modern addition, and also the light controlled by servo on off. 2 battery. This is for bow. This is for land, and it is still quite interesting. For sure, today, if I decide waterproof amphibola, it will be much reliable and much easier and much nice. This is a landing truck. The only thing is no suspension and no differential and no four-wheel drive. But remember, nearly 40 years ago, it is quite nice. You need a 6 or 7 channel at least.